Life is full of uncertainty. When you want onion, life throws tomatoes to you. So it's up to you to make soup out of tomatoes or cry for onion. Good morning, good evening, Toastmaster family and lovely guest. Uncertainty arises from the things which are not in our control or milestone of the life phase. Every next moment in the life is unpredictable. Consider the current lockdown pandemic situation that is also full of uncertainty. We don't know what will happen next, whether we will survive, when the vaccine will be out. Instead of being panic about the things which are not in my control, I have a choice to make best use of this time for my self development. I have cultivated a habit to get up by 6:30 and have for the target to get up by 6 to do physical exercise for 10 to 15 minutes, and I don't miss to meditate. Listening audible books and mother of small kiddo, this lockdown became blessing to me. Even it helps me to attend Toastmaster meeting virtually for different club, which was not possible before. Milestone of the life like birth, date, job, earnings, study result, marriage, kid are also not in our control. When I get birth in this world, to choose nationality, religion, caste, choosing parents with a high income and high education is not in my control. Let me share my family background here. I born in Sumeka family at small village. My parents are not metric pass out and I have four siblings. I have seen hard work of my parents. My mom was managing business along with household stuff and four of us. My dad was managing business and his government job. There were also grandfather and grandmother with us. My grandmother was mentally paralyzed. Because of that, we three sisters had been brought up by my maternal grandmother. We four siblings were helping each other and became brilliant in maths and gradually became best in educations. I have seen my father taking care of every bit of daily activities for my grandmother. All these childhood events abide me high family values inside me. Where today when I recall or see whole childhood movie or clip, it gives me immense respect for my parents and sibling. I chose science stream in 11th standard. Because other friends were choosing commerce, I also choose commerce. Principal of the commerce stream gave admissions on condition to sit on the floor because class was full and moreover the school was already open. I topped in 12th standard in Gandhinagar district first time in the history of school. After proving myself, I and my parents reminded principal about her attitude while giving the admissions. My name is still there on the school board, which gives me immense pride. I never thought of myself getting features in newspaper or interview by many news channel. It was a magic moment for me. Being born in small village, I was not having any sportsmanship to prepare for competitive exam. I didn't clear aptitude and logical reasoning for TCS. Later, after 2 years, I joined TCS as a technical experience, and today I am with TCS for around 14 years. If I talk about my first on site, I had never traveled outside Gujarat. Moreover, I was not having any technical hands-on experience. Those 56 days of Korea on site was a life-changing learning moment for me only because I choose to accept that opportunity. I married at late age. I and my parents were so much desperate. When things are not moving as per the defined timeline, it becomes a stressing phase. Luckily, during that time, to do meditate helped me to live in the present and taught me to keep patience. Let me reflect some more learning here. Instead of facing the situation, I was running out of that. Today I learned that we need to face whatever comes in our way. Accepting short-term on-site and deputations helped me to change my mood. Involvement in purposeful life and other social activity gave me joy, happiness and relaxation. Going to Indora for walk, spending time with nature, and flushing out frustration with friends help me. Investing on myself for my growth and health in terms of money and time help me. I really don't have any regret for that phase. Instead, I'm happy that I discovered many paths. If I talk about my recent experience of Australia on site, I got a news of conceiving Kian in Australia. I was there for 2.5 months, all alone, managing office work, office traveling to office, taking doctor appointment, visiting the doctor, household stuff, cooking, and that place was new, so to travel is also a big stress, along with lots of mood swing. During that time, asking strength to God helped me. I respected my choice of going to Australia and managed it. Today, my baby, a little baby, is 1 year and 3 months old. I never had an experience on the stage from childhood, and in the process of life, I became less expressive. So, in order to explore my public speaking skills, I became part of Toastmaster family when TCS Beat Club was started. I were in and out for many meetings because somewhere I was having a complexity that I am not good in public speaking and I was comparing with others. Reading was not my cup of tea, but gradually I realized that reading is beneficial for many reasons. It helps in knowledge gaining, it helps in concentrations, improved focus, memory expansion, stress reductions, mental stimulations. It helps in writing skills, vocabulary expansion, and many more. To write a speech was a big challenge for me because I was searching content here and then. Instead of being real, I was copying it. I think Toastmaster is to speak your hearts, and when you speak your hearts, expressions, confidence, and other parameters of public speaking or speaking styles will fall into place automatically. I am consistent Toastmasters and I had never given up myself. Today, I am delivering my CC 10 speech, a milestone speech. Today, when I look back all this experience and the choices I made in life, it has taught me a great wisdom and many learnings. Let me summarize for your benefit. I learned that life is larger than small issues and education percentage that we were crying during that time. I learned that accepting self with imperfection and loving self with the grace is the key for happiness. Thanking God for everything and do reflection for your betterment. Our health is more important than being panic about the situation which are not in our control. Define the purpose of life goal and diverting thoughts to work on self or to be useful to others and to the nature will help you. Accepting the opportunity whichever comes in your way because everything is learnable and nothing is rocket science. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with your previous version. Cultivate the habit of reading. Meditate in order to live in the present and cultivate the habit of setting the intentions to complete task. And time to time, taking break is also required in order to rejuvenate your energy. Don't judge anyone. Respect everyone's struggle. In nutshell, never regret about the choices you made in life. Respect those choices and find the learning out of that. Every next moment in the life gives you chance to choose best, choose wisely, and gradually will discover a path of being yourself, and you will realize that you are masterpiece, you are unique. So in order to make best use of yourself, be original. Over to you.